Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting back live from CVS because we're about to get into some quick and easy all digital deals. This is going to be a deal if you are a beginner maybe to CVS, or if you're not into paper coupons, you like to keep it quick and simple. This is the video for you because I have exactly 30 minutes to film this video and get out of this store before I have to go pick up my son from school. So we're definitely going to be quick, easy, only using our phones today. So let me show you what we're going to grab. First digital moneymaker we are going to be doing is on the Revlon beauty tools. I actually already picked up 2 and put them in my cart. We're going to be getting the Revlon emery boards, the double pack for $4.19. These are buy 2 get back 5. So when we scan these with our CVS app, we're going to scan like that. All right, we got a $3 coupon from last week. This is our instant coupon. So these are the coupons that you will see me print sometimes from the red box, or you can find them on your CVS app. We have a $3 coupon, even though it says Almay, it does work on the Revlon. I also have $2 off of makeup that will work on this. And we also have a $2 CRT for this week. This is an instant coupon. We're gonna save those CVS coupons to our account because we are gonna be using all of those today. So now I have clicked them and I have them downloaded so that we can do this deal. So the total for these 2 at the register, $4.19 times 2, is going to be $8.38. I'm going to use $5 in CVS coupons because I'm only going to use the 3 and the 2 on this deal, the instant coupon. So I'll be left to pay $3.38 at the register. Then I'm going to get back a $5 extra buck for picking up both of those. That is already going to make this $1.62 in profit. But we also have an Ibotta rebate that is attaching to this as well. It's off of any Revlon nail tool. This is a Revlon nail tool. This was not working yesterday, but Ibotta did fix it today. So we are also going to get back another $2 from Ibotta. This little deal here is going to be a $3.62 moneymaker to get us started. The next deal I'm going to grab is 2 of the CoverGirl pencils. So I'm going to have to get the ones that are $5.49 since they don't have any of the applicable $4.99 products. But we're going to grab 2 of them for $5.49. And then I'm going to be using that $2 CVS coupon that I have for makeup. That'll work on these. And I'm also going to be using a $2 digital coupon for 1. And I'm also going to be submitting back to the coupons app for the second one for a total of $4 in manufacturer coupon savings and then $2 in CVS coupon savings. I decided to get a lip liner instead of the 2 pencils because I actually need the lip liner. This is $6.29 and it does attach to the rebate on the coupons app, so I'll get that, and then along with this pencil that I use the $2 digital for. So the total for these 2 is $11.58 before our coupon savings. I have a total of $4 in coupons that'll come off at the register. That will leave me to pay $7.58, but then I'll get back $6 in extra bucks and $2 from the coupons app. I'm gonna make these 2 free plus a 42-cent moneymaker. Another all digital deal that I want to make sure that you don't miss this week is on the Vaseline lip therapy. So these are $2.19. We do have a $2 digital coupon that is making these only 19 cents. I already did this deal yesterday in my Sunday video, so I'm not going to do it again, but I want you guys to know. The next deal I'm going to grab is on the Garnier. You can either grab the Garnier Fructis or you can grab the Garnier Whole Blends. These are 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. On my CVS account, I do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and I also have a $2 off for shampoo and conditioners, which this will apply for, so that'll give me $5 in coupon savings. At the register, after this $5 in coupons, I'm going to pay $3, but then I'm going to get back $2, making these babies just 50 cents each. And again, I could grab these products over here. This will work, and I can use that digital coupon, or you can get these. And with CVS coupons like this one right here, this is a CVS coupon that is unique to my account. This is called a CRT in short, which means cash register tape coupon. You will hear me refer to it as that, but these can vary by account. This is a newer account that I am using in today's video since this is a more beginner video. But after I started shopping at CVS for a couple weeks, these types of coupons started to generate on my account. So as you start to shop at CVS when you do have a new account, out, you start to get more of these types of coupons. Another easy all digital deal you can do this week is on these chic razors. I don't think I'm gonna do this again because I don't need any more razors, but let me give you guys the breakdown. So what you want to do is you want to pick up 2 of the $12.49 razors. If you have a CVS coupon for razors like this one, or if you have one like this that's 5 off of 25 on the men's, you can pick up 2 of the ones that are $12.49. That'll total you up to $24.98. Use that $5 CVS coupon plus the $8 in digitals. At the register, you will pay $11.98. Then you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks for picking up 2, making them only 99 cents each. And then on my CVS account, I also have a coupon for $3 off a total home product. There's a lot of different ways you could go with that. You could try to get like some sandwich bags or something like that. My store does not carry, the store that I'm at now does not carry those types of products. So I'm just going to get a roll of paper towels right here, one of these 1 mega rolls. These are high, these are $3.29, but I'll use that $3 CVS coupon and pay only 29 cents. The thing we're gonna do is our spend 30, get 10. So on this, we're gonna pick up a total of 3 different laundry care items and use the applicable digital coupon. So we're gonna start out by grabbing a large Tide Pods. These are $12.99. We're gonna use the $3 digital. Then I'm gonna grab a large Tide product. You can get one of these right here. I think I'm actually gonna grab the powder today. These are $12.99. I'm gonna use the $3 digital coupon. And then we're also going to grab a smaller laundry product for $5.49 and use a $1 digital. All right, you guys, so this is our complete spend 30 deal. Before our manufacturer coupons are applied, this comes up to $31.47 worth of product. We're going to use $3 digital coupons on each one of our Tide products. So I'm going to use $6 in coupon savings there, and then I'm also going to use a $1 digital for the gain. Now, if you don't want any of these types of products, let's say you want liquid instead of the powder, you can definitely do that. If you don't like gain and you want to grab a bag of Tide Pods, you can do that as well. We do have applicable coupons that will work on those products, so you pick up the products that you would like. But y'all, my grandmother keeps asking me for Tide powder, so I gotta make sure that I get as much Tide powder as I can anytime it is on promotion moving forward. So I'm gonna start getting more powder in my deals, which is why I'm grabbing that today. So after our $7 in coupons, that brings us down to $24.47, and then we're gonna get back $10 in extra bucks, making our final cost just $14.47 for all 3 of these items, and that is with no CVS coupons added. Now, if you have a coupon like this, like a 6 off of 30, definitely add that in. Your final cost will be just $8.47 for all 3 of these items, making them just $2.82 each. But even with no CVS coupons, this is a great deal. I actually do have a 6 off of 30, but I'm not going to use it in this deal. I'm going to hold on to that until next week. But I will be using a $3 off of my purchase coupon that CVS just sent me in my email today. So I'll use that, and that'll bring me down to $11.47 for all 3 of these items, which is like buying one of them. So like paying less than the cost of one Tide product and getting the other 2 laundry products for free. All right, you guys, so this is our complete haul for today. Super easy peasy. Like I said, we are going to be getting in and out, but I feel like we're getting some really good items using only our phones. So I'm going to go check out with this. I have all of my digital coupons and my extra bucks that we're going to roll loaded to my card. Let's see how this deal works out. And as far as coupons that we're going to be using, I have a $3 CVS coupon here, $3 digital here, $3 digital here, $1 digital here, 3 off of 2 digital here, and a $2 CVS coupon, 2 CVS coupons here. We have a digital here, and then 1 on the coupons app. Everything is loaded to my phone. So let's go up and check out and see how this deal. All right, you guys, so that worked out beautifully. I went over to self-checkout, did this all quick and easy. Here is a close-up of my receipt. So all of my digital coupons came off with no problem. All of my CVS coupons came off with no problem. I rolled in $30 in extra bucks, and then I paid out $5.53 plus tax out of pocket. So if you did not have any extra bucks coming into this deal, like you've never shopped at CVS, everything that I picked up would have cost me $35.53 plus tax out of pocket. But since I already have CVS money that I use from week to week, so I take my money from one week and then I use it to pay for my deals for the next week, I don't have to pay that out of pocket cost. And that's what you want to start doing if you're new to CVS. You want to take the money that you earn, save it for the next week so they can pay for your deals, and make sure that the deals that you're doing in that next week do give you back additional extra care bucks that you can roll from week to week. So after you pay out of pocket the first time, you shouldn't have to pay again if you're rolling from week to week. So we paid out $35.53. Now let's talk about what we got back. So we got back $10 for our Spend 30 deal. We got back $2 for our hair care. We got back $5 for the Revlon, and we also got back $6 for the CoverGirl. So that is a total back of $23 that we got back in extra bucks. But then of course I submitted over to the rebate apps, and I also got back $2 in cash from Ibotta, and I also submitted for $2 in cash from the coupons.com app. So total back after spending out the $35.53, we have received back a total of $27, making our final cost for this transaction $8.53. Spending $8 on this deal is absolutely amazing, especially only using our phone. And we had 93% in savings, and we saved about $80 in this deal, which I think is pretty awesome, because we're also getting cash back from the rebate apps as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already and you want to learn more about couponing at CVS. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.